nagawa 1998. Ito yung ginagamit natin ng katabi.
Ito yung cause of the traffic kasi two-way.
Oh, two-way. Ito lang two-way. At saka, ito sir, ito yung ginagawa nyo ngayon. Kasi 1958 pa to. Sa panahon pa na yung President. So, ang balak ko rito sir, iakyat siya kasi sobrang baba na. Ito yung Bridge C na hopefully magamit. Ito going to Eastern Park, ito going to Western Park. At saka pag natapos ito sir, at saka natapos ito na yung emergency and bicycle lane nyo. Sa DPWH. No? So next,
At least it will be 4 days.
yeah, hopefully. Ito yung reason ko sa budget hearing na problema ng traffic, nabugbog yung kapatid ko. And alam ng media at saka lahat kami sinisira talaga. Next, ito sir, I'll show you a video. May panggalang sa tulay. Ito yung tulay sa dinaan nyo. From Taguluan Port, ito yung lahat sa yan o, Municipal Hall. Ito yung, dito na yung bangka. Somewhere here. Yan o.
Wala na.
Wala na. Problema na. Kung ginawa namin kahit zero integrity na to, pinadaanan na lang talaga namin. Ayaw pumayag ng region, district. Ako na nagpilit ay Gambot Club kung pwede madaanan. Next. So, ito yung sec. Papasalamat din kami sa'yo sa swift, mabilis na action ng Secretary DPWH. Ito sana matatapos 2031. So, dahil kay sec, hopefully matatapos tayo 27 or early part of 28. So, ito yung nangyari. Ito sec, ongoing. Ito tapos na yung augmentation yung sec. Ito yung parang, I don't know, it's gonna be the beam and the pavement na sa taas para magamit yung tulay. Yung hiningi at saka binigay mo nung last budget hearing, itong dalawang approach, 50 million at saka 50 million. Hopefully, pag natapos sec, at least makaginawan na kami. So, ang mangyari sec, ito will be the road from Cagayan de Oro going to Manila to.
Okay na, going to Maharlika na yan.
Oh, Maharlika to Manila to.
Yes,
Oh.
that's right.
At saka ito naman, pabalik sec, from Manila, dito na dadaan sa third bridge nyo, papunta naman ng Cagayan de Oro, Zamboanga. Kasi wala iba dadaanan sec. Kapag hindi nagawa to, wala kayong dadaan, iikot nyo yung Davao. So next please. So, sec, ganito tayo ngayon. May ginawa kayong bridge dito 2025. I think nadaanan nyo doon na connected to Mugo. Ito yung bridge na ginawa nyo. 2025 pa, hindi nagugtuman. Bridge nyo.
Puerto Caberia?
Oo, Puerto Claveria. Ito yung status sec. 2025 pa, walang dagdag. Next. Kung ito si chairman ng infra, si Mando, at saka si Sangguniang Bayan, engineer Bakulpo, at saka ayan, at saka si engineer Ragandang. Ang sabi nila sec, dati, si Mayor nga ayaw dapat pumayag na gawin yung bridge. Kasi ito problema nga traffic. So, ang proposal dati ng may resolution sila, pinakiusapan ko lang na hindi papatuloy. Kasi kung wala rin zero integrity na eh. Wala tayong choice. Mapadaanan, magawa o hindi na madaanan. So ito kasi doon sa unahan, left side, ito sana yung connect, ito yung bridge na yun. Hindi tayo dadaan, hindi tayo dadaan din, ito na bridge, at connected to highway din. Kung nagawa itong bridge na to, ito yung status ngayon, next. So ito yung bridge nyo, 2025 pa yan.
Oh, pinondohan mo ba ito for expenses? Dapat ganyan yung mga pinondohan. How far is that?
Ilan to? Engineer? Gusto ang taas ni? Same as long as this.
Pabagyan na rin, nakapupunta sa nasa si Sir Mo.
Kasama niya.
So, ito yung ano. At saka if na-notice mo, grabe yung scoring ng
But what is the cost to complete? What's
1 million ang
What's the cost to complete the bridge?
yes, we're verifying
Did you find out?
So, kung na-notice nyo, Sek, ang lawak na ng ilog. Di ba? It's covering already. Ito, nung...
Where does this connect?
This will connect to the back to the highway. Kung doon dadaan sana, hindi dadaan dito na bridge. Parang bagong bridge siya doon.
So it's like a bypass. It's like a bypass.
Yeah, more or less, it's like a bypass siya, Sek.
Where
And
is
then
that?
we're
This
here.
one?
Yeah, that one. We're here. This is 6 kilometers. Ito, so...
Nagagawan bridges.
This one. Ito, dito tayo
So,
ngayon.
this is here.
Yes, sir.
So you're saying, please, saan dadaan yung mga tao? Invest na.
Dito na, ito na here. May daan dito sa second, babalik siya sa highway.
Pero this is an existing highway.
The existing road, provincial and municipal road.
So they can cross this bridge and they will end up the same way.
Oh, lalabas sila eastern part.
So at least it can decongest this also.
It will. Kasi ito din, Sek, continuous to papuntang Bukidnon. Ito labas kasi ito ng puerto, nung dinaanan niyo. Ito yung bridge na labas puerto, Cagayan de Oro.
Okay.
Like the 100 million value to complete the bridge na.
No, yeah, I understand. But to complete, we will have connectivity already to this road with 100 million.
Sa bridge na ganun, sir.
Hindi kaya. So, how much do we need to do? Kasi baliwala yun. Kailangan mong kumonek. Baliwala matapos kung hindi ka mag-connect. So, this is an existing road, or?
Yeah, ito existing road, provincial at saka barangay road. Some of it are PBDEC. And PBDEC more than willing happy kasi.
So, that bridge will connect to this road, tama ba?
Yes po.
So, how much to connect?
We're verifying the total amount.
Okay. Next. Ito din, Sec. Ito yung problema ko. We always respect flood control programs of yours, discipline, lahat, audit. Region 10, wala naman sa awa ng Diyos, Sec. Ito kasi yung problema namin. Ito yung Taguluan River. Nandito tayo ngayon. Tingnan mo, Sec, alalaki ng mga ilog. Both two big rivers from Bukidnon. Ito yung dinadaan. Major river to, Sec, sa
Opo. I saw
Mindanao.
it.
Yeah,
Oo.
Taguluan. Major river to. Ito yung next. Ito yung situation, Sec. Ito, nalagyan nyo na ng flood control. Part here, nalagyan nyo. Itong red, wala. So, ang nangyayari, Sec, ito wala. So, ang problema lang, 15 kilometers. Ang sinumbong ko lang sa'yo, Sec, una, it's up to DPWH how they will appreciate it. Ang problema kasi itong ilog na, Sec, di ba, tino mo nakaliko dito. Pag ito tatalon dito, Sec, ang planta na dito sa unahan, hospital, gardenia, FGC.
Saan po banda yan?
Dito. Dito.
How far are they from there?
Ito, Sec, na mga 7 kilometers to 8 kilometers to. Tapos, nandito yung San Miguel na battling, housing,
Do we have
schools, rice
OOD
land.
for this one? Yes, bro.
Parang sa
May basin master plan ka ba? Meron ka. Can we look at it para... We'll check the master plan.
Yes, Sec. Yeah.
We'll check the master plan. Ibangga mo nga sa master plan kung concern na. Kasi may mga factory daw dito. Pag nag-overflow yan, o di tatamaan na ang mga factory.
And history, at dito naman si Barangay Captain Raganta, history will tell you, dumaan talaga tuloy dito one time. History will tell us. Di ba, Kapitan? Ito si Kapitan Raganda ang Sec, para mahilig na talaga ako, dumaan na talaga dito. So, ito yung the flood control. That's the 3 Sec. The bridge, the other bridge, and the
Nagdredge ba
flood
tayo?
control. I wish.
Nagde-dredge ba tayo dito, Pay?
Sir, wala pa po.
Can we start dredging
Yes,
this
sir.
already? Para in the meantime, kasi we will have to look at the master plan muna.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
dredge muna.
Yeah, Mayor, we'll dredge. Okay,
Let's dredge muna.
Okay. Actually, I asked Congressman Manong Greg if he can read.
Let's dredge muna. Well, I'll send you Sec Kalima and his team next week.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Para
Yes, sir.
mag-check.
Copy po.
Sana, Sec, mag-dredge from the mountain.
Kasi we're dredging now in Iligan eh. In Iligan. We're dredging in Iligan. So, Cagayan de Oro, wala pa tayong dredging.
Meron, sir, pero hindi po lang. Check ko lang, sir.
Meron na tayong dredging sa Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan, yes, sir. Meron.
No, let's dredge here. In the meantime, kasi kaya natin gawin yun eh. Kasi ito, this will take time eh. We have to look at the master plan.
Oo.
So, in the meantime, let's dredge. Sige po, meron.
Thank you.
Right to where? Yes, yes.
walang-
No problem with the rate.
Actually, we just work with PBTEC. Last ito, no? So, ito, Sec, this is the,
No, we will do it.
And we thank you for coming, actually.
Huwag kayong magagalit kay Kong dahil sa bridge sa akin kayo magagalit. Huwag kayong magagalit kay Kong tsaka kay Mayor, hindi ka kasalanan. Kasalanan ng national, hindi pinupunduhan eh. So when Kong brought this up to me, nagalit si Kong and rightly so, talagang dapat magalit siya. Sabi ko, don't worry Kong, we will prioritize it.
Thank you.
Ito, watch what we're
Thank you.
doing.
Thank you.
So